Hello, Bertie.
Hi, Abuelita.
How are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
Bertie, I have a friend here. His name is Lino.
Hi, Lino.
Hi, Verti.
And Lino is going to be teaching his friends the vertical lines about geometric shapes.
What shapes are you going to learn about today, Lino?
Today, I am teaching my students all about the square and the rectangle.
Let's go and learn.
Yeah! Good morning. Today, we're going to have some fun. And what I need to have you do is I want you to line up. And I want everybody standing on this horizontal line. Do you see it?
Yes.
So let's all start lining up against the horizontal line. Yes, neatly everybody standing next to each other. Very good, very good. Now I want you to look. Are we all the same size, the same height? Some of us are tall. Some of us are shorter. Well, let's all decide who is almost the same size as. Very good. Now, let's look at each other. Oh, we have Mr. Little Blue and Miss Pink. They're the tallest of all. And then we have Little Blue and Dark Blue. They are almost the same size. They're the shortest, just like Abuelita. And then we have 4 that are the same size. How about that? And then we have Pinky over here.
She is all by herself because nobody else is her size. But we love her anyway.
Now, what we're going to do our very first shape. And we're going to have to give it a name. So let's get started. All right, let's have the 4 that are the same size stay in the middle. So let's count how many they are. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. The first shape that we're going to do needs 4 lines. 2 of them have to be vertical and 2 horizontal. Who wants to be a horizontal line?
Mr. Lino, I want to be a horizontal line. Here. Oh, I'm resting.
I want to be a horizontal line too. It looks like I'm up in the air, so I need somebody to hold me.
She wants to be the first vertical line to help our horizontal line that's floating in the air. And he decided that he was going to be the other vertical line.
So now we finished making our shape. How many vertical lines? 1 and 2. How many horizontal lines? 1, 2. 2 vertical, 2 horizontal. What shall we name it?
I know. What did we call it? A square.
Oh, that's a good one.
We're going to write square. That's our first geometric shape that we've learned. All right, everybody back in line so we can make another shape. Now, the new shape that we're going to make, the lines don't have to be the same, all of them. Yes, there's 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines, 4 of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to make 2 short lines.
Like us.
Good job. Now we need 2 long lines.
We are long.
Very good. Now we have 2 long lines. How many vertical? 1, 2. How many horizontal? 1, 2. 2 and 2 is 4. Remember our number 4? What are we going to call this?
What if we called it a rectangle?
It's a long name, isn't it? A rectangle. What I would like for you to do is go outside and look around, and inside your house and at school or wherever you go, look for things that are in the shape of a rectangle. Also look for squares around. Thank you all for helping. Have fun.